Hello and welcome back. In this SoundSwitch lighting tutorial, I'll show you how to transform this lighting effect into this effect in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, select your position cue. I created one called Master. Then, in the pop-up section, enable the pan and tilt attributes in a checkerboard pattern. Next, create an 8-bar auto loop. This technique also works with other loop length. Add intensity and color. I'm using white for this example. Then place the master position at the beginning and at the end of the auto loop. Now open your master position. In the pop-up menu, select all the pan fixtures and move them up. Then select all the tilt fixtures and arrange them in a mirrored position relative to the pan fixtures. Now, in the auto loop section, add a circle movement effect. Set the speed to 5% and adjust the size to your preference. That's it. Play the auto loop and watch your effect come to life. Feel free to experiment with the circle size to create different movement patterns while keeping the speed at 5% for smooth, natural motion. With just a few simple steps, you've created a dynamic effect that can be adapted to almost any fixture setup or auto loop length. Now, let's make the effect more dynamic. In the auto loop section, temporarily disable the RGB fixtures so we can focus only on the moving heads. Then, collapse all of the mover tracks to keep the workspace organized. Next, select the first and the last moving head and add a circle movement effect. Set the speed to 5% and the size to 50%. Repeat the same process for the second and seventh movers, then for the third and sixth, and finally for the fourth and fifth. Keep the speed at 5% for every pair, but vary the circle size for each one. Increase or decrease the size however you'd like to create more depth, variation, and a more organic-looking movement pattern. Once you've finished, enable the RGB fixtures again and play the auto loop. The different circle sizes will create a much richer, more layered movement while keeping everything perfectly synchronized. Keep in mind that you're not limited to the standard circle movement. Feel free to experiment with the different movement effects that SoundSwitch provides, such as reverse circle, oval, scan, figure 8, and many others. A good starting point is to apply each movement effect to pairs of moving heads, just as we did in this tutorial. However, don't be afraid to mix different effects across multiple pairs or create your own combinations. By varying the movement type, size, and pairing, you can build unique movement patterns and expand your own library of effects for future shows. The more you experiment, the more original and dynamic your lighting banks will become. Pro tip: while you're in perform mode and your auto loop is playing, press one of the movement buttons on your controller, or select a different movement effect in the SoundSwitch software. SoundSwitch doesn't simply replace the current movement. It blends the newly selected movement with the one already running. Each movement effect you select creates a unique combination, resulting in more complex, dynamic, and creative fixture movements in real time. This allows you to dramatically change the look of your light show on the fly without editing or stopping your auto loop. Try switching between different movement effects during your performance to discover new combinations and add even more energy and variety to your lighting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more SoundSwitch tips and tutorials. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.